ice3x is a South African cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy or sell cryptocurrency with the South African rand. In this article, we provide a step-by-step guide on how to buy Bitcoin with rand on ice3x. Quick steps: sign up at ice3x, verify your identity, deposit rand, SAR, buy Bitcoin, BX. Bonus: you could get 50% off trading fees by using the coupon code Victor's easy step-by-step guide. Register at ice3x.com to create an account. On the welcome page, you will find a register tab at the top right corner of your screen. Click on the register link. A new page will open that will ask for your email and password. It is best practice to set a strong password to secure your funds. You will then receive a confirmation email from the exchange in your inbox. Click on the link in the email to activate your account. Now that you have activated your account, it's time to get verified. Verify your ice3x authentication has become a requirement on several cryptocurrency exchanges due to regulation in the financial industry. These processes are part of Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering laws meant to prevent the use of money for malicious activities. ice3x allows you to verify your account using a mobile phone number quickly. To do this, you have to visit your account panel, where you will find the verification tab on your left. Click on verification to open your verification dashboard. You will now have to enter your mobile phone number. Click on send hash to receive your unique verification code. Enter the code to complete your first level of verification. To enable more deposit and withdrawal thresholds, you can upgrade to the next level of verification that requires identification documents. Deposit rand to trade. You can deposit South African rand, SAR, on ice3x via direct bank transfer. You can decide to deposit via direct Standard Bank or First National Bank. After that, you will have to follow the following steps below. 1. Select a bank to use. 2. Enter the amount you would like to deposit. Create a unique reference (TETR) by completing the deposit transaction request on the next page. 4. Send your SAR funds via direct directly to us using the details supplied. Buy Bitcoin on ice3x. To buy Bitcoin with rand on ice3x, you could use two methods: Quick Buy or the traditional exchange. To purchase via direct Quick Buy, click on the Quick Buy button at the top left corner. The Quick. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.